Marakara ma Kenya na ikundi itiganite no mathiete na mbere kwiyumba kumana na gikuo kia mumemerekia wa NENDAINI Albert OJWAN'G. Umuthi atongoria a Mung'ethaniro makiruta ndumiriri thiini wayo ikuite ciuria na mikana. Atongoria Rigathi Gachagua wa DCP, Kalonzo Musyoka wa Wiper, Eugene Wamalwa wa DAPK, Justin Muturi wa DP na atongoria angi mahete thirikari mukana wa kuhera wabici-ini na guikio ngono kwa munini wa munene wa borithi ELIUD Lagat.
In light of the foregoing, we are calling not just for the resignation but for the arrest and arraignment in court of the Deputy Inspector General of Police, ELIUD Lagat, within 24 hours from the issuance of this statement. We similarly demand that the junior officers currently being persecuted be given witness protection with immediate effect.
O kuma Homa Bay kuria mutigaire Albert aikirio ngono muciini kwao. Mung'ethaniro urenda kumenya agire gukinyio ceceni-ini cia kuu niki na ningi Lagat ahuria riboti ri ati ritwa riake ni ihake ndoro niguo atacukia ikinya ria gwathana agaikio ngono. Na ona gutuika kuri na riboti mbica cia CCTV ceceni-ini ya Central ni ciathogirwo, mung'ethaniro oho ni urenda kumenya kana mbica cia OJWAN'G kuma Homa Bay ni netwo wakiri wa family na niki agikorwo ti neane.
We demand to know where the footage showing Albert being brought in and leaving the station is, and whether it's been provided to the family lawyers. If there is no footage, we demand to know who ordered for the cameras to be switched off.
Iguru wa uguo aria magagirie Albert ta uria riboti ya postmortem yatariirie, no kiuria kingi na kana gukinya kwa Albert Central ni akorire oho angi na agikorwo ni ahingirirwo ari wiki gitumi kingikorwo ari kiriko.
Was picked up in Homa Bay. He had no physical injuries. Indeed, he was having lunch with his wife. We demand to know who inflicted the grievous and extensive injuries on his body. It's been reported that Albert was in solitary confinement at Central Police Station. Why was Albert considered a high-risk criminal to be confined in solitary?
No na gukire uguo Mung'ethaniro urauga IPOA ni iraigirwo ni wabici ya mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi.
This is a cover-up and a diversionary tactic to delay this matter. The mandate of the DPP under the Constitution of Kenya is to direct the National Police Service and the Directorate of Criminal Investigations in writing to do investigations, not to direct the IPOA.
Mothe kenda wa 10 Mung'ethaniro ugite tariki 25 mweri uyu ufatie gukorwo ri thiguku ya kuririkana mbeu njithi aria makwirire mirurungano-ini ya watho wa kigina mwaka muhituku. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.
Digest hiyo kwanza.